Air current and air pressure. Air currents are movements of air caused by differences in air pressure and temperature. These currents can be horizontal or vertical and are influenced by various factors, including the Earth's rotation and the uneven heating of the Earth's surface by the sun. Air pressure is the force exerted by the weight of air molecules on a surface. It decreases with altitude and varies with temperature and humidity. High-pressure areas are associated with descending air, while low-pressure areas are linked to rising air. Differences in air pressure and currents at different latitudes. Air pressure and currents vary significantly with latitude due to the Earth's shape and rotation. Equator. Warm air rises, creating a low-pressure zone. This rising air cools and moves towards the poles. Poles. Cold air sinks, creating high-pressure zones. This sinking air moves towards the equator. Mid-latitudes. These areas experience a mix of high and low-pressure systems, leading to variable weather patterns. Northeast and southeast trade winds. Trade winds are steady, persistent winds that blow from east to west just north and south of the equator. Northeast trade winds blow from the northeast towards the equator in the northern hemisphere. Southeast trade winds blow from the southeast towards the equator in the southern hemisphere. These winds are driven by the Earth's rotation and the differential heating of the Earth's surface. Major effects of air currents and air pressure. Air currents and pressure systems have several significant effects. Weather patterns. High and low pressure systems influence weather conditions such as precipitation and temperature. Climate. Persistent wind patterns like the trade winds affect regional climates by distributing heat and moisture. Ocean currents. Air currents drive ocean currents, which in turn influence global climate patterns. Aviation. Jet streams, which are fast-flowing air currents in the upper atmosphere, affect flight paths and travel times. These elements are crucial in understanding and predicting weather and climate, making them essential topics in meteorology and environmental science.